Hello friends, welcome to Node.js tutorial. My name is Jagdish. Today in this video we learn how to handle asynchronous data in Node.js. Here I am write a equals to 100 and b equals to 0, and here I am write set timeout function, and inside this function I am reassign variable b equals to 50 and set timeout 2 seconds. After that I am write console.log a plus b. Run application by using command node index.js. It prints 100 because this function set timeout 2 seconds for executing. For handling this situation we use promise. Here I am write let one variable I am write here wait equals to new promise. It contains two parameters, resolve and reject. Arrow function, right, set timeout, resolve, and inside pass 50 and set timeout 2 seconds. After that here write variable name wait dot then and pass here data. Arrow function, and inside this write console.log a plus data. Save this and run application node index.js. Now it prints the 150, 100 plus 50. In this way we can handle asynchronous data in Node.js. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.